Welcome to my 610 square foot home in Charleston, South Carolina. Hi, Apartment Therapy. I'm Emily.
My partner and I, before the pandemic, lived in New York. We worked in New York full time. We had family in Charleston and Atlanta, so we were often traveling down south. But when the pandemic hit, we saw it as a really interesting opportunity to spend half of the time in New York and half the time in Charleston. We moved into this apartment, which is an old building. It was built in the 1920s originally as a hotel. I'm totally an old soul at heart, so I naturally gravitate towards antique furniture pieces and neoclassical decor in my home, but the touches of modern bring a playfulness to the space that prevents it from looking overly formal. I love secondhand furniture for a ton of reasons. It's sustainable, it's well made, it doesn't have supply chain issues like a lot of furniture today. But more than anything, I think that secondhand furniture brings a story with each piece. An example of that is the pie safe that I have in my entryway, which we now use as a bar cabinet. We're really lucky to have a balcony in this apartment, and we've really strived to make it an extension of our home. So we throw open our French doors constantly to let fresh air in and sunshine into our living room. Almost all of our seating spins so that it can be multi-purpose, and I really like that because it allows, the kitchen bar stools to be kitchen bar stools or the TV seat to be a TV seat when they're in use. But when we have guests coming over, all of the seats can turn inward so that everyone can be facing each other as they're having a conversation, and it makes the space feel really intimate and inviting even though it's a small space. Try not to worry about your space not coming together overnight. I think social media has tricked us into thinking that home transformations happen as quickly as like a TikTok transition, but in the interim, it's really important to get used to shopping your own home, to work with the items you already have, and be really intentional about saving up and selecting those pieces that map back to your inspiration that are going to make your home shine. My home is a reflection of what I love the most and is honestly my favorite place in the world. It is a place that I am always sad to leave and I'm always really happy to come back to. And I feel like when other people visit my home, I want them to be able to walk in the door and immediately be able to get a deeper understanding about who I am and what I care about and my story. And I think that a good home should be that reflection of who you are at your core.